nobody really like wires, so that's why you see a lot of people getting wireless mice, and also there are a lot of wireless gaming mice around. But wireless keyboards are kind of rare. A wireless gaming keyboard is even rarer. And today we are going one up, and we have a wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Today's video has been brought to you by Palit graphics cards. Palit is the world's largest and most reliable graphics card manufacturer. Click the link in the description to learn more. First, let's take a look at the mouse. So this is the Logitech G603 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse. Lightspeed is what they're calling the new wireless technology. On the back, you see a nice picture of the mouse there. On the back, Play Advanced, Hero, the next generation sensor. So that's where they started naming everything. So their new sensor is called the Hero, and their new wireless technology is called Lightspeed. And they promise 500 hours of battery life. Yeah, and dual connectivity. So it has Bluetooth inbuilt. So you can either use the wireless Lightspeed dongle, or you can simply connect it directly through through Bluetooth. So what that allows is actually you can have this paired with two devices. Say you have a laptop and a PC. So you can have your dongle plugged into your PC and connected through Bluetooth to your laptop. So whenever you want to use either, just take the mouse over and use it. Alright, let's take a look at the mouse itself. So the inside is still the Logitech blue. Some very minimal documentation. It's a few quick start manual with a few details. Very easy package. And the mouse itself. So shape wise, it's very similar to a G403. So looks almost identical actually to a 403. Maybe slightly tall. I don't know. Like I feel it's almost identical. Do we have a 403? Get me a 403. Well, we don't have 403. Whatever. Alright, so buttons wise, two thumb buttons there, and one more button here. I assume that's a DPI switch. This goes up to well, not a lot of spec here. Fairly high DPI. I will have it listed somewhere for you. Okay, 12,000 DPI. There you go. That's quite high. I don't know anyone who uses that 12,000 DPI. So 200 to 12,000, and 1 millisecond polling rate, and Bluetooth polling rate of 11.25. It's not great, but okay. I suppose you wouldn't want to use it for gaming on the Bluetooth mode. The other interesting thing I saw there was it has a 32-bit ARM processor in there. I still don't know what processors do inside mice, but it has one. Nice soft touch finish, so it's very comfortable. You wouldn't really sweat out of this while using this. You get an option of high, low, and off. Like you can see there's a high, low, and off option. That stands for alright, that's your polling rate. I don't know why you would want to change your polling rate. Anyway, it could the high and low options go from 1000 Hz to 125 Hz, and off is obviously you off your mouse. You can off your polling rate. Technically, you turn off your mouse, you off your polling rate. And the other switch there is that you switch between Bluetooth and wireless modes. What's included in the package? You get a range extender. So one of those, you can put that on your desk after you plug this at the back of the PC. And the dongle, it's not a unifying receiver, so I don't know if you can program multiples into one, like Logitech has their unifying logo usually. This doesn't, so I don't know if it's a thing or not. And it comes with two batteries included, two Well, dual cells, so good batteries. Should last you for how long? 500 hours. That's quite long. Let's put this back in. It's too complicated. Let's take a look at the keyboard. G613. So they are a matching pair. 603 and the 613. Wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. Yes, so front has a nice picture of the keyboard. It's the back of the box. So on the back, Play Advanced, same branding, Lightspeed, so they use the same technology here. Roma G switches, so that is a mechanical keyboard. It has a bunch of G keys on the side, and just like the mouse, it has both Lightspeed and Bluetooth. So let's take a closer look at this as well. It's quite heavy. Don't want to cut myself. Alright, so a nice inner box and a very nice packaging. It's very clean, makes you not want to take it out of the packaging. Well, but since this is an unboxing, we are going to take it out of the packaging. Oh, shit. Well, I shouldn't have. I think I broke that. Anyway, I don't know what that is. That. All right. So, oh yeah. This is. I think this came with like a previous keyboard as well. So Logitech has this software where you can sync your PC to your phone. I don't know what it's called exactly. I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out for yourself if it still exists. So I assume this has something to do with that. So you can keep it there and put your phone on it. It's not connected, just a piece of like plastic. And what do we get here? All right, that's the same cable extender for your dongle. A nice cutout G logo there. All right, so the main event. Let's look at the keyboard itself. Yeah, that has not too much to set up. Just connect and plug and, well, not plug and, well, it is plug and play, but also not plug and play. You need to plug in the dongle, but very annoying plastic. All right, so that is the keyboard itself. So you can see it's very sleek and very clean, very classy actually. It's awesome. Well, I bought a keyboard recently, so I will resist the temptation. I will not resist the temptation. Whatever. All right. So Roma G keys. So people are divided about this. I personally love this. I got myself a Logitech G413. I love the Roma G feel. If you are going by the standard cherry mechanical types, this is I'd say closest to a brown switch, not exactly brown, but closest to a brown switch, in between say a brown and a red. All right, so what do we get? You get a wrist rest that's not removable, so that's actually part of the keyboard itself. You get 6 programmable G keys. Logitech has some pretty good features on the software, and these are always nice. So you get like your volume rocker there, mute key, some media keys. I'd say a gaming mode, so that disables all like the Windows key and all of that. Okay, here's a switch between wireless and Bluetooth, so you can switch on either. There's a nice battery indicator there as well, which is always good. You know, I assume that will let you know before your battery actually dies, which is good. Quite sturdy, as with all Logitech keyboards. So unless it fails on you out of the box, you shouldn't have to worry about this breaking on you. Few non-slip rubber pads there so that it doesn't slide around your desk. All in all, great keyboard, feel wise. One drawback though that you guys should know, since it's a wireless keyboard, okay, so this doesn't come with backlighting. Now, this has been well documented. A lot of people have made a fuss about this. It's a high-end keyboard, expensive keyboard. It's a 24,000 rupee keyboard. Why doesn't it come with backlighting? It's a $150 keyboard. So their Logitech's reasoning was like you can expect up to about 120 to 150 hours of lifetime on the included batteries. If they went backlit on it, even a single color, they would have dropped that to about 20 or 30. It would have significantly hurt the wireless aspect of the keyboard. We feel they could have included it and had like a lights on and off switch, but I guess that was a little asking for a bit too much. I guess maybe in the future we'll see a wireless backlit mechanical keyboard. Can I have the mouse, please? G402, just take the mouse out. Alright, so that's the mouse. As you can see, they make a very nice matching pen if you want to pick up both. So prices, this thing is 24,000 rupees. It's expensive. It is a mechanical keyboard and it is wireless. It gets all your cables. Like you can put these two on your desktop and have no cables whatsoever, and you'll have a very high quality gaming mouse and a very high quality gaming keyboard. Both of these, Logitech with their Lightspeed technology, they are promising almost wired connectivity, so you shouldn't expect any lag. It's going for 12,000, that's 24,000. We do have a combo offer on both, so if you want to pick up both, you can get 2,000 rupees off the combo. So we have these on display, so feel free to drop by our store and check them out. So that's a brief overview and unboxing of the Logitech G613 mechanical and the 602, 603 wireless gaming mouse. Subscribe to our channel. We'll be doing unboxing, a lot more unboxings, and we have a few more shows running continuously. So we have our vlog that we do 3 times a week, and I'll be taking point on that so you can see what happens at our company on a day-to-day basis. We also have a show called The Bottom Line, which discusses the latest happening in the tech world. So we try to give like a Sri Lankan tech industry perspective on what's happening in the global scale. Head to our Facebook page, like us on Facebook, follow us. That's where you'll get all the new product updates. Whenever we get something new like this, we'll be sharing it there. Also follow us on Instagram, all the fun stuff happens. We'll meet again with another unboxing.